What is up, boys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today, we just banged a trade. We just banged this trade. To be honest with you, that's all that really happened. Here's what happened. Well, here's the thing. I've already recorded this video once. Where's files? Look at this. Look at this. What the heck? We're not gonna do this. We're gonna go to trade recaps. What is this? Oh, that's the one we're recording right now. Look at this. Look how happy I am. Look how happy I am. Oh, you can't even see it. Look at that. Then we went through the thing, and then we journaled. What do you notice about the video? There's no audio, bro. It wouldn't record the audio. I didn't realize it until afterwards. So we'll just go over it again. As you can see, green day. We love to see it. Finally, we practiced with it yesterday. We capitalized. We did what we practiced today. Kinda. Today it wasn't based off an inverse fair value gap, actually. It was based off the 50% fib level. Y'all know, maybe not, that one of the strategies is after you get a big thing like this, big down, big drop, whatever. The first touch at the 50%, there's almost always a retracement, and so because I don't love longing when it's like this, because this is a reliable trade right here. It always it's kinda always retraces like this after the first touch. And so I even went into this even though we were super bullish on the day. We've been going up. We were looking very bullish right here. Oops, we can delete that anyway. We can delete that. Delete. Okay. Even though we're super bullish, and then we even had a breakout right here of two very bullish white candles, I still shorted even when we touched that. As soon as we touched the 50%, bang, short, bang, all the way down here. Which the one thing that I said in the last video, that the video that I just recorded that didn't get posted because the audio was messed up, here's what I made a mistake in. I did have my take profit like down here, but I got a little emotional. You can see we came down here, we almost had it, and then we saw a little bit of hesitating here, and so when we shot down, as soon as I exit the trade, literally the same moment I click the button, it goes bang, click it, bang, instantly takes profit, hits TP. So that was something I did wrong. Like this, we cannot get above the 50%. Cannot get above it. So yeah, that was the trade for the day. That was the trade for the day. This right here, I could have taken. We push past. We form this 5-minute fair value gap right here. And then we come down. We inverse this, but we hold the 5-minute. Then we come back and we invalidate this fair value gap. And so that showed me a lot of buyers are present. And then you could have taken this after it came back down, retraced into the invalidated fair value gap. I don't know if that's a real thing or not, but it would have worked. It would have worked here. You put it 50%, it shot up. Which I was thinking about taking this, but we have all these wicks, and I don't like trading with all the wicks. Random stuff can happen when it's like this. I've experienced in the tariff markets, the Trump tariff market. We did have I thought would form a fair value SMT. We did not get that, so we can just delete that. Yeah, and then we touched 50%, and that's where my trade was. Yeah, we can look at my journaling that I did. Hopeful. Smiley face. 5 out of 5 trade. Perfectly followed the plan. Yeah, finally trusted the strat. First touch of the 50% level. The yellow trade was this trade. I just said that I could have taken it, but I didn't have 100% confidence in it. Faith in it. Yeah, and then we looked at the news. Okay, here's the news. Yeah, Monday's a bank holiday, so we will probably we'll be back on Tuesday. There is one thing though. I might be back testing this weekend. Sunday and Monday. I'm going out of town this weekend, so yeah. If I post a video there, that will be posted. If I make a video, and we'll do the trade weekly bias for on Monday, maybe Tuesday, probably Monday night, because market does market open at all on Monday? Does it open at 5 p.m.? I think it does. I think it opens 5 p.m. on Monday. This would be big. This might be big right here. This might Powell is gonna speak on Sunday. This might affect this entire week. We got a lot of orange folders this week. Looks like we got red news every day except Tuesday, so three days. They're all really early in the morning except for this one. This might be a choppy day with FOMC. This might be a choppy day too. Tuesday, Wednesday gonna be choppy. Yeah, we'll see what we have. We'll see if there's some good price action. Might not take a trade. That'd be unfortunate. Anyway, yep, that was the trade for the day. See y'all later. Peace out. Let's go. If I can click the freaking stop record button. Okay. Peace.